mas lalo akong na-guilty. Not that little money, it's not little, it's a lot of money. Not that money would have made a difference for such a big devastation. Pero, when I saw that, lalo akong nanghina. Na sabi ko, I have to do something about. Hingi nga ako, araw-araw ko nasa simbahan, humihingi ako ng tawad sa ginawa ko. Pero hindi naman pwedeng lip service lahat. I think I have to do something, sacrifice something, to be able to feel better and my conscience will get clear.
Thank you, Mr. Watson. Mr. Chairman, I'm okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Senator Aquino. The next one will be Senator Sonny Angara.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Magandang tanghali po sa ating lahat. Mrs. Tuason, I know it took courage to do what you did. It's a difficult decision. I hope you remain strong and in your testimony. And some have remarked that you might change your story later on. But as you said, you're relying on your faith. So I hope you stay strong in that. No? You said you're willing to return the